if you're trying to load into Fortnite and it's just not working, so server's not responding, no matter what you do, what you guys need to do is fully close Fortnite. So close it. Once you close it, look for any updates, and then it should work. So here we go. Okay. So if you don't have any updates, and it's not 12, well, it should be midnight Eastern time. Past then, the servers should be back on, according to Fortnite. And that's because, end of season, new season, there's always a cooldown period where servers are not working. So that's okay. So once you open up Fortnite, it should be working after that cooldown is done. But if you guys are watching this when it's still on doing this, so it's still like servers down, then you won't be able to get into the game until the servers are back up. So there's nothing you can do. Even if you delete Fortnite and download it again, nothing's gonna get fixed because there's nothing that you can do about it. All you guys can do is run any updates that are maybe missing, and that's it. But just be patient. Go into your web browser, look for Fortnite status or Epic Games status, and then you're gonna see if the servers are back on or you still have to wait. Anyways, that'll be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, guys, comment down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.